It's January. Ha ha ha. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rudna. I know I haven't been on top of my game when it comes to this channel. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But I'm back. And I have this fancy little jewelry box. There we go. That's what I call it. Or some people call it locket pocket. No one calls it locket pocket. But anyways, I have this. My friend tried to throw it away because she was moving out of her apartment. And I was like, girl, don't throw it away. You can redo it. You can use it. And she's like, I don't wear any jewelry. And I'm like, okay, give it away. And she's like, okay, do you want it? I'm like, sure, girl, I'll take it. So I'm redoing it. And yeah, I'm going to keep it. Yeah. As you can see, it has a little bit of wear and tear on it, but I hope you guys know wear and tear means it has character. Look at the fancy way it opens. Okay, whatever. Has a little, yeah. So if you look, I am taking out the bolts. They're very tiny. I'm taking out the bolts so I can like paint this. And you know, I like to spray paint. But I might have to get a normal kind of paint because this is so tiny. So there's no point of me having like such a big thing to paint. So, yep. Okay, so here's the thing. I am using my phone as a camera, so it's a little difficult for me to hold my phone and do my podcast at the same time. So you guys are basically watching the before and after process. I'm going to try to like somehow hold this on my chest or something. Hold on, let me see. Nope, forget it. So I spent the entire day, like literally I got up at like 11. I got up at 11, I lied, I didn't get up at 11. I got up at 10:20. I got up at 10:20 and I didn't start working on this. I didn't start working on this until I'd say 11, I should say. Yeah, I didn't start working on it until 11. And I was going to spray paint because I have no other paint and that's all I do is spray paint. But I was going to spray paint the outside. I was going to spray paint the outside and then leave it overnight and then like get the inside of the doors and the inside of the doors. And yeah, what happened was I couldn't get the doors back on. I literally spent the entire day trying to get, yeah. So you guys are gonna laugh at me. So the entire day I've been putting this on wrong. Ooh, I want to punch myself sometimes. So I don't know if you can see, but I've been putting it on wrong. I got it. I got it. I'm so happy. But let me screw it back on and then I'll be back with you. Okay, so I finally got the doors on after like an entire day. So I'm going to spray it. And this is probably the last time I'm going to spray this one or any, because this is freaking ridiculous. So I resprayed the box again this morning, and now I'm just letting it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to add a little sunflower over here. I have no clue why, but I just feel like it should have a little sunflower there. And I'll be taking the tape off of that over here, the window, and the window over here, the glass, there we go. And then I'm going to paint the inside. So yeah, I forgot to tell you that the reason why I colored it blue is because I wanted to match my room, because I have a certain color scheme going on in my room. It's orange, white, and blue. Orange, white, and blue? Orange, blue, and white? I feel like there's more white than blue. There you go. It's orange, white, and blue. Yeah. As you can tell, my bed is blue. The curtain is blue. The curtain for my, what is this called? My closet, there you go. The curtain for my closet, it has a little bit of blue in it. So I decided to make it blue so it can like contrast the wall or something like that. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so here's the thing. I was going to replace the knobs on the jewelry box. I have them right here. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to find a good, like a nice small doorknob thing. So I have to reuse the old ones. And now that I look at it, like this kind of goes with the color. Just saying. So screw it on. As you can tell, I finally got the screws on. Cute. I'm thinking about making it look a little rusty. I don't know. But I also have to paint the inside because blue on the outside but brown on the inside. And we're not about that life. my video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I know I haven't been on this channel a lot, but I promise I will be getting back to it because this is my baby. I can't just leave her hanging. I love root adjustment. I will get back to this channel. I won't be posting every Tuesday because that's a little ridiculous. I have a life, I have a job, blah, blah, blah. But I will get back to this channel and you'll see more. I don't know when, but you'll see more. Okay, bye.